Alright, so today I'm gonna attempt to rebuild it. I got all my shit, and my whole top end kit, Wiseco. Got a brand new head from Yamaha, so focus. Let's get to work. I'm back up because I'm not big, like a good enough mechanic, so. So I didn't record it, but I got the two bonds here, and they fixed this thing up in about 4 minutes. So, fuck yeah. Get everything up. What do you think? I think it might blow up, but fuck it.
High expectations.
High expectation, low outcome. Fuck. Is it good?
Yeah, we got the YAMAHA 125.
Shit.
Let's see if it'll fire up. No gas.
Uh-oh. Can you something more, dude?
Top, go.
So this thing's finished. I just beat the shit out of a brand new piston. Probably not the best idea, but
Pythagorean theorem.
Yeah, Pythagorean theorem. Fuck it. So yeah, that's how you break it on a new dirt bike. You just beat the shit out of it. So.
Oh yeah.
$603. Someone can buy it for $1,800. Fair deal.
Yeah.
DM me
In the comments, $1,800 bucks. Come get it.
Fuck yeah.